Gorchudov post this on his Twitter feed. Sabi niya, this 4 times vaccinated Redditor, an MD, is having his 6th COVID.
Oh, wow.
Each COVID is worse than the previous one. He's sure that masks work because he only catches COVID on vacation while not wearing a mask.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is one of the people who still cannot get it through his head na, like Doc always says, di ba, with each additional jab, you're weakening your immune system. So,
Immune
pahina
system,
pahina ang immune system mo. Tapos, dadagdagan mo pa ng face mask, di ba? Hindi ka nakakatulong.
Mari,
Yes,
let
Doc.
me say this again to people. Kasi,
Sige po.
narinig ko to dati kay, he's a Canadian doctor, but then I did my own research. Ang tanong is, gaano ba kadaming mRNA ang ini-inject sa inyo per dose? Ang Moderna ang mataas kasi halos doble ng Pfizer. So for each Pfizer or Moderna, yung Pfizer, kada turok sa inyo, that's gonna be 12 to 15 trillion mRNA going in.
Wow.
For Moderna, 30 trillion mRNA. So, biruin nyo kung nakaapat kayo, kung Moderna, 3 times 4, 120 trillion. Ngayon, ang question ko sa inyo, ilang cells, human cells meron kayo? 30 trillion din. So, yung mRNA, may tigi-isa yung cells nyo. Kung nakaapat kayo, 3, 4 na beses kayong malalagyan ng mRNA. Bawat cells ng body nyo. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung lahat nakarating sa cells ng katawan ninyo, yun lahat ang mga nagiging spike protein factory. Kaya nga sinabi ko, di ba may picture ako, sinabi ko, the vaccines have degenerated the body into a spike protein factory and a container of disease and toxin. Ganun po karami, talagang parang wala kang walang ligtas. Dami nun. So, tandaan nyo